1000 plus online selling other people's products. Guys, that's what I'm gonna be showing you here today. And what's going on, guys? This is your boy Too Blessed, and I just want to say thank you for checking out this video. I really appreciate you spending the time on this my channel. And if you're new on this channel, guys, I want you to pause this video right now and click the red button down below to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below. Ask me any question whatsoever in this making money online niche, and I will answer the question right with a video. That's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm so sorry about the noise that is coming out right now. You know, the fan is making noise. The TV sound is coming from the sitting room, and so I'm so sorry about that, guys. But without further ado, let's get down into today's business and let me show you what we're going to be doing today, guys. So here, guys, let me show you this quick bonus that I'm going to be giving you guys. This is a course from the top marketer, the top in some industry. Like, guys, I don't want to keep talking too much about this right now, but this is Gary Vee course. This is Sam Oven course. This is Grant Cardone course. These are a bunch of all these guys, Dino Gomez. These are guys that are making millions in online industry already, and I have all their courses here right now. And some of those courses that you're seeing here right now are going for about 1,500 and even $100 right now online. But if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get this course from me for just $10. Just send me an email and say, hey, Tubeless, I want this course for just $10, and I'm going to give you this course. But notwithstanding, that's not why you're here. Why we're here is for me to show you how you can sell other people's products without spending any money online. So here, guys, here is Reseller Right Weekly. This is a website where I'm going to be dropping the link below this website right now, that you can go and sign up on this website, and you can keep getting free PLR product that you can go and sell for free. Guys, man, this site is free to join. This site is only when you want some very high quality products that you can subscribe for the gold member for $1, and that's the outside of it. So guys, here you see, this is a free member download. So let's click on this free member download right now. This is a free member download right now. See, look at, we are in February right now. This video, when you check this video right now, you see that I did this video in February. Today is February 19 that I did this video right now, and we already have courses in February right now. This is January 2020. This is December. They have courses. They have tons of courses down to 2007. You can get a bunch of courses down to 2007. Let's look at the courses in January first. Let's see what they had in January. Look at the courses they have in January. I just put January right now. So let's see. My internet is very slow right now. This is just supposed to pop up right away, but because my internet is slow, so it's taking a little bit of time. I'm so sorry about that. I just want to show you the course they have in January, that you can come to this website right now, that I'm going to drop the link, and you can sign up on this website and get this course that they have on this website. And you can go to look at the course they have on this website, guys. Look at all these courses. The picture is going to show right here right now, but because of my internet, just hold on. This is plant-based eating, guys. Bunch of courses on this website right now. These are how many courses they have in January. 1, 2, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have 6 courses in general, guys. Look at how powerful these things are, and it's free. When I click here right now, simple stretching for senior. When I click here right now, this is plant-based eating. When I click here right now, look at, it's going to start downloading. It's going to put it here right now that it's downloading. It's going to start downloading right away. And guys, you can take this course, you can take this PLR, this product right now, and go and sell it on any amount that you want right now. Any amount that I'm going to show you a guy that is doing this right now, getting this course, and he's taking this course and he's going to sell this course for $99, and this guy is selling thousands of this course right now. That's what I'm going to show you right now. This thing is coming up right. See, he brought, he said I should download it right now. So when I click save right now, that means it's downloading right now on my system. It's very simple. You get this stuff for free. Download all these courses for free right now, and that's it. These are the courses we have for January 2020 free member page. This is 2020. So let me show you the let me show you the February, because we are in February right now. My internet is, I'm so sorry about that. So let's click January and February 2020. Let's see what they have. And this is not the end of the January already. Before the end, they are going to have more courses in February. So this now we are not in the end of February already, but they have courses for February. Before the end, they are going to have more courses for February, and you can get this is downloading right now. Let me just pause it because I don't want this to really hit my really slow my system down. Look at what they have for February already. See, February 2020 free membership download. Look at medical travel instant mobile video site. This is recycling instant mobile site. The ebooks are going to come towards the end. This is what they have for February right now. So these are what they have right now, and you can go right now to this website, download all these things right now, and you can come to what we're going to be using is eBay. We'll come to eBay right now. This is eBay right now. Oh, this thing is slow right now. I'm so sorry about guys. It's taking time to come up. This is eBay right now. It's gonna load right now. This is eBay, guys. See eBay right now. Just come to eBay. Come and find these guys that are selling all these digital products. Guys, one person that will be using is the guy that I've searched for already. Look at this guy. This guy is selling like this ebook that you see here. Like this ebook that you see here already, guys. Like this ebook that you see here. This PLR product. This guy is selling it here right now on eBay. It's loading right now. It's gonna come. This guy is selling this ebook PLR product on eBay right now, and he's selling this product for 99 cents. He's selling it for 99 cents. You might be like, hey, why is he selling it for 99 cents? This guy understands business strategy. Look at this guy go and get this site and get this PLR product right here on maybe on another site, or I've not really searched where you get this product from, and he's selling it for 99 cents, guys. And look at how many have you so he said more than 10 available right now, and he said he has sold more than 1,264 sold. Guys, do that calculation by yourself right now. That's like 1,000 plus right now. And this is not just 10, so because this is a digital product, it's not just 10. Don't mind this guy. Once this 10 is complete right now, he's going to release this website, and he's going to put like maybe 100 on it again. And when he finish selling the 100, he's going to release it. He just keeps selling this same product again and again and again and again. This product that he got just for once. And guys, how many products can you list on this eBay site right now? You can list tons of them. You can list hundreds of them. You can list thousands of them on eBay right now, and you keep selling this thing right now. And this guy that you don't have to pay eBay also to do all these things. It's free to list all these things on eBay. And look at this guy. He's making thousands. He's making thousands. Guys, there's no limit to how much you can sell. You don't have to sell your own for 99 cents. Look at some people are selling for $13. Some people are selling for $30. It doesn't matter how much you want to sell. Any amount you want to sell these things is what you're going to sell them. So guys, I'm going to leave a link below this site right now where you can get this product for free. I'm going to link you. Click the link, go to the site, and I'm also going to leave a link below this one also. eBay right now. You know eBay right now. Just type eBay and you come to eBay, register on eBay, and you can just copy whatever these guys are doing, what they are doing that is selling already. Copy it and do the same thing for yourself also. So guys, that is therefore that on this video. So guys, here's the bonus that I talk about. So here's what I talk about. This is Get a V course. If I show you right now, you see a bunch of course of Get a V. Sam Oven, this guy make tens of thousands of dollars online. This is their course. This is Grant Cardone course on here right now. These guys are making. This is Dino Gomez. This is a course on agency running Facebook ads for local business owner. This one also has something like that. And this one is about drop shipping. There's Amazon course on here. There's affiliate marketing. There's YouTube course on here. YouTube. This guy is a YouTube guy. This one is also a YouTube. This guy here, Franklin. This is an affiliate marketer. This course is about affiliate marketer. This title page is about agency and other things like that. So guys, I'm going to give you this course right now. You're going to see my email down below this video right now. Click the comment on my video. You're going to see my email ID. Email me or follow me or talk to me on Facebook and say, Tubeless, you want this course for just $10, and I'll give you this course for just $10. Some of these courses are selling for $100, $500, and $1,000, but I'm going to give you this course for just $10. So if you're not like this video right now, comment what video you want me to do next, and subscribe to